Hello guys, this is Supriya and you're watching me on my channel Knowledge. I hope आप सभी की न्यू ईयर अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट हुई होगी and I also praise to God for your good health and prosperity in this new year. So today we will read about past tense. In my previous video, I have already taught about present tense and also given some brief idea about past tense. So if you have not seen that video, then please go to that video and first see what is present tense. And after that, I also want to say you should know verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3, that is present, past and past participle form of the verb. So before reading tense, you must know that three forms of verb. So let's start today. As was in the case of present tense, there was four subtypes I told you. Similarly, here also there is four subtypes, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So in present tense we have used for one, that is go. In past tense we will use verb to, that is went. See here the simple past tense. I went, we went, you went, he or she went, they went. So in present tense I used he or she goes. Everywhere I had written go, and with he or she I had used goes, that is plural form of the verb one. But here it is not used, it is only the past form of the verb, that is went. You can see it. Next, continuous. Continuous means the work which is going on, which was going on in the past. We are reading here past tense, so the work which was going on in the past, like I was going, we were going. You have to see the difference here. In singular case we are using was. In plural subject, when the subject is plural, subject means here they or he or she, you, we, I, they are the subjects. So when subject is singular we uses was. When subject is plural we uses were. You means more than two people also we are saying you guys we are saying. So you is also plural, that's why it is were. You were going. Similarly, they were going. Children were going. Children were playing. But if you are using child, then it will be child was. So for that was or were, you have to read it from singular and plural noun. I have already given in my first video about singular and plural noun. So you can visit that video to know about singular and plural noun. So in singular case we are using was, and in plural subject we are using were. Was or were. Then perfect. I had gone, we had gone, you had gone, she or he had gone, they had gone. So in every case we are using had here. Had plus verb 3. You can notice here it is verb 3. So you must know the past participle form of the verb, that is verb 3. Go, verb 3 is gone. Similarly, do, verb 3 is done. And write, verb 3 is written. I have written. Okay. So in past tense we are using had plus verb 3. Had. We cannot use has or have. Has or have is in present tense. Had is in past tense. You must remember. Next, perfect continuous. I had been going, we had been going, you had been going, he or she had been going, they had been going. So everywhere it is used had plus been plus verb 1 plus ing. Verb 1, that is used with ing. So here only verb 2 is used in simple past. We generally uses verb 2 form of the verb in past simple, and here was or were plus ing. Already I have given the formula in my previous class, so please refer to my previous class first. And then you see here I had been going means past continuous. जो चीज पहले कंटिन्यू होके अभी कंप्लीट हो गया है बट पहले कंटिन्यू हुआ था. आई हैड बीन गोइंग, दैट कम्स अंडर पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. नेक्स्ट, future tense. We will read another example also. Then you just see about future tense. Here in simple future we are using I shall go, or he or you. I have written here combinedly because he, you, they, all everywhere we will use will plus var1. Will plus var1. You can see here will plus var1, that is simple future. Next, future continuous. I shall be going. See here the mark. I shall be going. Everywhere in present tense, past tense and in future tense we are using verb plus ing. In case of continuous, continuous means the work which is going on, जो अभी चल रही है और जो पहले चल रहा था, that comes under past continuous. जो आगे होने वाला है, that will come under future tense. Understood? Next is he will be going. He or she or they or you will be going. Here I have taken only the word that is go. You can use another verbs in this way. He will be going if you are using future continuous. Next, future perfect. Future perfect is I shall have gone. Here we will not use had. Had is only for past tense, जो हम पहले कर चुके हैं, जो past में हो चुका है. Okay, for that only we are using had. कभी भी आप future के लिए या present के लिए had use नहीं करिए. Had is for past tense. So future perfect tense is I shall have gone, or he will have gone. Shall or will plus have plus verb 3. That is the formula. Next, perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. I shall have been going. He will have been going. So all the three forms are similar. Just थोड़ा डिफरेंस है, उसको आपको मार्क करना है so that you can be able to know about three types of tense. See here some examples. I have made a tense table here. You can see it. One sentence I have written, I write a letter. I write a letter. I have used everywhere the verb write. Okay. So what is the past tense of write? Wrote. And what is the verb 3? Written. So verb 1 is write, verb 2 is wrote, and verb 3 is written. So I have used similarly, as I said you before, in the present tense we are using verb 1, that is I write a letter. Similarly, in past tense we are using verb 2, so I wrote a letter. In future tense we are using shall or will plus verb 1, so I have written I shall write a letter. This is simple tense. This is simple of present, past and future tense. Next we will proceed to continuous. Continuous means I के पास क्या यूज होता है? am. Similarly you के पास are, he के पास is. So similarly I have written here I am writing a letter. Verb, be verb, is, am, are plus verb 1 plus ing. This is in present continuous. Similarly in past continuous, what I said, we will use was or were plus verb ing. So here I have written I was writing a letter. In case of future tense we are using I shall be writing a letter. I shall be writing, that is future continuous. Okay. Next, perfect. Perfect in perfect tense I said to you that has or have plus verb 3 we will use. So I have written I have written a letter. Written is your verb 3. So which verbs are given in the bracket in the question paper, you have to use the verb 3 in case of perfect tense. Okay. Only you have to notice, in present tense we are using have or has, in past tense we are using had, and in future tense we are using shall, have plus verb 3. Shall or will plus have plus verb 3. See the difference. And next is your perfect continuous. Perfect continuous, as I said, have plus been plus verb ing. Verb 1 में ing लगाना है. So I have been writing a letter. In past tense, I had been writing a letter. In future tense, I shall have been writing a letter. So only verb 3 is used in case of perfect. Verb 3 is used in case of perfect. Just remember this. And verb 2 is used in case of past simple. Past simple. It is verb 2. And verb 1 is used everywhere. You can see that except past simple and perfect tense. सिंपल एंड परफेक्ट को छोड़ के आप सब जगह देख सकते हैं, पास्ट सिंपल को छोड़ के प्रेजेंट सिंपल में भी राइट यूज हुआ है एंड फ्यूचर सिंपल में भी वर्ब 1 दैट इज राइट यूज हुआ है. ओके, एंड हियर कंटिन्यूअस में हम हमेशा आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करते हैं. Here I have given some general verbs that is we are using in our daily life. So you can see here verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 I have written. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. Give, gave, given. Work, worked, worked. Walk, walked, walked. Leave, left, left. Come, came, come. See, saw, seen. Know, knew, known. Draw, drew, drawn. Drink, drank, drunk. Receive, received, received. Buy, bought, bought. Bring, brought, brought. You can see the spelling here. Buy past tense is bought, bring past tense is brought. People often gets confused in this too. Then put का सेम ही रहता है verb 2 and verb 3. Similarly caught का भी सेम रहता है, इसलिए मैं एक साथ लिखी हूँ. Then kill, killed, killed. So like this you can read other verbs also. So for today this much. And I want to say one thing. In my previous video there was some error from the starting, so you can skip 4 minutes and after that you can see the video. So our 10th chapter is completed today, and there are also some uses of simple present, past and future, and also continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So if you have any doubt then you can comment in my comment box, then after that I will arrange that video. So अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब more and more so that we can start our live video again. So thank you.